Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim again with Quiet Lawn and the Green Helpers, back with another helpful video, a small tip that you could be doing today to help your business's ranking on Google, on other search engines, especially Google. So one of the ways you could increase your ranking in the local map app ranking is by posting on your Google My Business page. It can be simple, you just need to be consistent with it. It can be a simple post or a video, whatever you're posting on your Instagram, social media, just copy and paste the content on your Google My Business page as well. What this does is it increases your organic ranking, the local map app ranking especially, and puts you above your competitors. It's just one of the ways we rank Quiet Lawn and get Quiet Lawn to these numbers right here that you see on the screen. So as you can see, we are ranking first on most of the places we provide our services in. Even in places we don't provide services in, we are ranking really well, and this is one of the ways to do it. So let me show you exactly how we do it and some small tricks and tips you can do to improve your ranking in certain places you're not ranking well. For example, in this place right here, Barefoot, we are ranking on the third position right here. If I want to get into top 3, I want to do some tweaking to my post so that I'm able to rank better in this position. Based off of this, I'm going to make a post right now. So this is Barefoot landing. Let me go ahead and go to ChatGPT first. So the first step is ChatGPT. If you find it tough to come up with your captions or what it should be, what your social media captions should be, if you face a tough time coming up with captions, ChatGPT is a free service. You can sign up for it right now, and then you can have ChatGPT make SEO optimized captions for you in a matter of seconds. Let me show you exactly how we do it. So I'm going to type in here, write me a. So as you can see on my screen, what I typed in here is write me a SEO optimized Google My Business post for my lawn care company, Quiet Lawn. And you don't need to put quotations mark. I'm just putting it just to be safe. Mention the area name Barefoot because I want to rank better in this area, Barefoot Landing. I also mentioned the state as well because Barefoot could be anywhere in the country, but it's it's supposed to be in our area. Include my email, which is sales@quietlawn.com, and my website quietlawn.com. Keep it under 500 characters. You'll notice that I did not mention include my phone number, and it's because Google doesn't like it when we mention phone numbers on posts. So keep that in mind and avoid putting phone numbers on your Google My Business post. So let me go ahead and generate one. So there we go. We have our post, discover the best lawn care service in Barefoot, South Carolina. Transform your outdoor oasis with Quiet Lawn's professional and reliable lawn care solutions. From mowing to fertilization, we've got you covered. Contact us at sales@quietlawn.com or visit quietlawn.com to learn more about our exceptional services. Let us bring beauty to your doorstep. Okay, this is good enough. It could be better, but I'm just going to go ahead with the flow and post it. So one way to post it is, just click, come to your Google Business Profile, add update, the description here, and we add a call now button. So you see why you should not include the phone number on your description. It's because you can add a button here, and that should automatically add your phone number. So if you add your phone number again here, it's called phone stuffing, and Google will reject that post and remove it from your feed. So be careful not to mention your phone number, just your email address and your Quiet Lawn website, as well as the area that you want to rank well in. And another neat trick that you can do to be able to rank better in this particular position is to upload a photo that seems from that tells Google that the picture is from this position. And the way to do this is there are two ways to do this. One way is using a service called Geotag. It's a free service where you can upload a picture basically. Let me just upload any picture right now from our a lot of folders to go through, but let me find a picture, good picture. So say this picture right here. This is a good picture. I can post this. Pictures have something called EXIF data or metadata, and sometimes they will have locations embedded within the photo that tells Google where the photo was taken, and that sends Google one of those signals that tells them that, okay, this company is present in this area because this photo that was just uploaded indicates that that photo was taken in this area. So they will boost you up in ranking by a little bit because of doing this trick. So let me go ahead and search barefoot. So you can type it in manually here. You can also just manually enter the pin of wherever the location is where you want to rank. So let me find the area right here. There we go, barefoot. So I'm just gonna click here. I'll type in image title would be something lawn care service in Barefoot, South Carolina. Tag, better description, it'll be the same thing, but yeah, that's it. Now you go ahead and download the JPEG, and what this service will do is it will insert metadata on the picture itself. I know this picture isn't great, I'm just using this as an example, but yeah, now this picture has Google coordinates that points to this area right here, and that tells Google in return that, okay, this person or this company is present in that area. You can see the longitude and the latitude is entered. This is one way Google knows that your presence in this specific area is detected. So yeah, the next step is just to add the photo you just added information to or EXIF data to. This is of course easier if you just take photos with geotagging on your phone. That way you don't have to do these things. But if you're doing things from out of an office, and if you don't have time to go down to that location and take pictures and then upload them, this is a neat solution to do in those situations where you don't want to drive down all the way there, take some pictures just to be able to upload on Google, to be able to rank better. So this is one neat way to do this, and it's completely free to use this service as well. We use Local Brand Manager, where it's it's similar. Basically, you upload the content here, you select the image that you want to upload. For example, if I upload the same picture again, where you can enter the title, description, keywords, subject, you'll see that GPS latitude and longitude is now present because we just added it. But yeah, you can add them manually too right here. And yeah, Local Brand Manager is amazing. Again, I highly recommend it to you guys to upload photos like this. But if you don't want to pay for a service like this, it's completely free. It's completely available for free to you as well through Geotag. It's called geotagseo.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But yeah, this is one way to do it. I'll go ahead and now post, and our update is posted. Now we are active on Google. This post is pending and should be published soon. So Google will check this image and the post that you just made, and then if they don't find anything suspicious or harmful, they'll go ahead and improve it. And yeah, this is one way to rank better on Google in a few days. Of course, it's not the only thing, but this is one of the ways to rank better on Google by sending positive signals of your presence in certain areas. Another thing we could be doing is adding a page on our website for Barefoot Landing, letting Google know that, okay, this website has a service page dedicated for this specific area. They might be present in this area, and it's important to add local schema to that page as well. Again, if these things sound complicated to you, don't worry. We at the Green Helpers provide these services to you at an affordable price. If you are interested in ranking your business, getting your business higher up in ranking, getting more leads as a result, please feel free to contact us. Our email is office@thegreenhelpers.com. Send us an email and we'll set you up with a call, and we'll meet with you and give you a custom quote on how we can do these things for you and your business and start ranking you on top of your competitors, basically. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.